Number 1. 1986 Chevy C10 Silverado long bed, $3,000, Boise, Idaho. This 1986 Chevrolet C10 Silverado is a long bed configuration featuring an iconic blue patina that lends character to its bodywork. The truck is equipped with a Goodwrench 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission, though it is currently non-running as the engine will not turn over. The odometer shows 67,347 miles but has rolled over. The Silverado package adds an upscale touch to this vintage truck. The body is described as being in decent shape, making it an excellent project vehicle for someone willing to restore it to its former glory. The sale includes a clean title, but transportation via trailer will be necessary. Number 2. 1989 Chevy C1500, $4,500, Littleton, Colorado. This 1989 Chevrolet C1500 is a rear-wheel drive pickup featuring a 305 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission. With 116,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has been fitted with a Beltec lowering kit, giving it a sportier stance. Practicality is enhanced by a functional 1,000-pound capacity liftgate, perfect for work-related tasks. The truck is listed in fair condition and could be a reliable workhorse or a solid base for customization. Number 3. 1988 Ford F-250 Diesel, $5,750, Vancouver, Washington. This 1988 Ford F-250 Diesel is a classic 4x4 truck in remarkably original condition. It features an 8-cylinder diesel engine paired with a manual transmission. Although it has only been used sparingly, the truck is said to run strong. The red exterior remains in good condition for its age. This vehicle would appeal to enthusiasts looking for a durable vintage truck, though it may require some attention due to its extended period of inactivity. Number 4. 1971 Ford F-100 Ranger XLT, $12,000, Florence, Colorado. A rare find. This 1971 Ford F-100 Ranger XLT is a factory original example with only 22,973 miles. Powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine, it has an automatic transmission and a two-wheel drive setup. The truck has been meticulously maintained mechanically and is described as running and driving excellently. Its one-owner history adds to its appeal as a collector's piece. This long bed truck is a testament to Ford's craftsmanship in the early 1970s. Number 5. 1984 Chevrolet C20 Scottsdale, $5,800, Bremerton. This 1984 Chevrolet C20 Scottsdale features a robust 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. The truck has clocked 97,000 miles and is said to run great, benefiting from new tires, a tune-up, and a service transmission. Equipped with power windows and locks, this pickup is well suited for farm work or highway cruising. Its clean title and functional condition make it an appealing option for those seeking a capable classic truck. 1958 Dodge Power Wagon Power Giant, $6,500, Rio Linda, California. A true rarity, this 1958 Dodge Power Wagon Power Giant is a project vehicle with unmatched potential. It features a flathead 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and factory-installed PTO winch, highlighting its rugged 4x4 capabilities. The odometer is broken and the radiator is missing, but the truck retains its original design and parts. As a 0.75-ton vehicle, this Power Wagon is perfect for enthusiasts seeking a challenging restoration of a vintage workhorse. Number 7. 1969 Chevy C10, $12,500, Springfield, Oregon. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 is a well-preserved classic pickup, equipped with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and turbo 400 automatic transmission. It has undergone some updates, including a rear gas tank conversion, new drum brakes, and fresh tires. The odometer reads 91,000 miles, and the truck is described as running well. The clean glass and solid body make it an excellent candidate for a restoration or a weekend cruiser. A 1978 GMC K15, $13,900, Astoria, Oregon. This 1978 GMC K15 is a rare street coupe package model with its original matching number engine. It features a red exterior with new upholstery, carpet, and door panels, along with a freshly restored oak bed. Mechanically, the truck has undergone a tune-up, and the original carburetor has been rebuilt. The 4x4 drivetrain and rust-free body make it a highly desirable vehicle for collectors or off-road enthusiasts. '9. 1968 GMC 2500 4-speed, $10,000, Des Moines, Iowa. This 1968 GMC 2500 has been updated with an Ironhead LQ4 6.0-liter V8 engine from a 2000 Silverado 2500, paired with the original SM465 4-speed manual transmission. The truck features a 33-gallon fuel tank, hydraulic clutch, and numerous new components. While it runs and drives, some additional work, including addressing rust and minor mechanical issues, would enhance its reliability. It's a unique classic truck with modern power. At 10. 1984 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, $11,500, Cedar Park, Texas. This 1984 Chevrolet C10 Silverado is a long bed truck with a 350 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. Recent restoration work includes a new Edelbrock carburetor, ignition components, fuel pump, and more. The truck is described as running well with functional power windows and locks, though the exhaust system requires attention. It comes with both aftermarket and original wheels, offering flexibility in its appearance. With minimal rust and a clean title, this truck is a standout example of 1980s American pickups.